Okay guys, HM Trim Works here. Going to do a little unboxing for you. New toy. It is from Nail Gun Depot. Let's see what it is. These are the nails. Comes in a nice little case here. There you go. Some Spotnails. This is a pneumatic gun. Fortunately, they do not make these in battery power, but it is a corrugated nailer. Comes with the nail gun, set of glasses, some oil, and instructions. Apparently, I gotta get my own thingamadoodle fitting. Also has a couple Allen keys in there. So this is going to be taking the place of the pocket holder in a lot of situations. And we're going to try it out in exactly right, different situations. I'll show you the nails real quick. If you don't know what a corrugated nailer is, what the nails look like, here's the nails. Let's get a pack out of here. They look like this here. There's looks like a honeycomb if you hold it up like that way, but it's just a wavy nail to nail two pieces together, two pieces of wood, say a butt joint here and there, like the wainscot behind me. These are all pocket hole, but instead of pocket holing, we're going to try to corrugate nail them. Maybe speed up production a little bit, and we'll try it out here on the next build. So there you go. We'll show you everything and get her going. That's it. See you later. Have fun. Okay, we'll see how many nails this thing holds. I don't know how many's in each rack. It holds one. Right, it's got a red strip. Well, the red strip is up. If you look at it sideways, the wedge end is down. It's two, holds three. So it's quite a few nails there, I don't know how many. And it comes with two triggers. There's the other one here. One's every time you've got to pull the trigger each time, pow, 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 pow. And the other one's a bump trigger. You just hold the trigger and go pow, 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 pow. You know what I mean? Easiest way to explain it, I'm sorry. So yeah, and it's got a little pop-up thing here in case you get a jam, you just pop it up. I can't get it right here. You got to pry it a little bit, but I don't have nothing here to pry it open with. It just pops open just like a regular nail gun. Clear jam. Close it back up and go back to town. So there you go. And the air exhaust, you can turn that any way you want, so it don't blow in your face if you're nailing this way or this way. But anyway, I just gotta get a little doodad for the end, a 1/4 inch hose adapter, quick coupling, and we'll be in business. So the next, when we get to the dining room over there, we're gonna try to do the wainscoting with that rather than pocket holes, and we'll show you that when the time comes. See you later. Have fun.